welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting video for you guys today. As you guys can tell by the title, I bought the Dior Advent calendar and I figured I would unbox it on camera with you guys. So if you guys want to unbox the Dior Advent calendar, then please keep watching. Also, really quick, yesterday Dior had a promotion where if you buy this specific lipstick set that comes with a blue pouch, you get a free Dior notebook. So I'm pretty sure as of today it is still valid. I will put it down below, but make sure you guys run and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I am constantly posting new sales or gift with purchases and things like that. Just like fun designer, any type of sales, fun things like that. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. That way you guys will get notified anytime there is some sort of sale. For those who do follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I did show you guys the box that it came in, and I was like, this is an advent calendar and this box is really small, like really small. So how is there an advent calendar in here? Also, I did buy the mini one. The mini one is $105. I wasn't gonna get the big one because the big one's like $500 or something insane, and yeah, I wasn't gonna do that. So I got the mini one, and yeah, I just love the packaging. From what I saw, it just looked beautiful, and yeah, I'm excited to see it. But this box is tiny and it's making me nervous. Let's go ahead and open it up. The packaging is always so beautiful. Mind you, I got so many free gifts with this purchase. Why is this open? So I ordered the Dior lip oil as well because I wanted to reach my purchase amount to get the free gift. I also reached the next level as well, so I'll show you guys that free gift as well. I don't know what it's called, but it's not the bottom, it's the second. That's what I reached, and they shipped this to me separately. The first free item that is in this little bag is this Dior little pouch. It is so cute, fits so much. This would be so cute to keep in your purse, keep your makeup that you keep in your purse. It is white, so it would get dirty, so I don't know if I would put makeup in here, but it's just so cute and it's free. I mean, don't we all love free items? Because I do. Okay, moving on. We got some more free items. Let's go ahead and open this up. I can't wait to get the Dior notebook. I actually was gonna ask that for Christmas. I was gonna put it on my Christmas list, but now that I got it for free, I don't even need to. So I'm so excited. First free item is the Dior perfume. I've had so many samples of this, but I don't think I've actually ever smelled it. So, ooh, I dropped the top. Smells so good. So that's the first free goodie we got. Then we got the Dior Super Potent Serum. Let's see how big it is. I'm gonna open it up. Sample size, but perfect to travel with, and I kind of travel a lot since I still have family in New York. Then we got the Dior Prestige Le Micro Serum de Rose. I can never pronounce any of these things. Mini sample. The next free item is the little perfume sample. So I did reach the next level, but you know what? I'll show you guys at the end of the video since I'm sure most of you guys just want to see the advent calendar. This, I'm assuming, is the advent calendar. I'm already disappointed because it's small. I mean, when you think of advent calendars, you think of something huge and big, but this is it. Let's go ahead and open it up, but let's just take a moment to see the packaging. Mind you, the Dior notebook that I'm getting, the free one, is this packaging, so I love it. I love it more than last year's. Okay, it's cute, but it's tiny. It's very tiny, but it's super cute. That's what it looks like. So I figured this might be a little bit easier for you guys to see, but this is what the Dior Advent calendar looks like. It's small. It's very small. For example, this is my hourglass brush where I use my powder and setting powder, and my brush is bigger than the advent calendar. But go ahead and open this up. There's no numbers on it, but I'm gonna start with the top one because it's just right there. So we have the Dior perfume, and this is tiny AF. I knew obviously what they were coming with because it's posted on Dior's website. I just didn't realize how small it is. Wow, hold on. I'm gonna grab the sample, the free gift that they gave me with my purchase. Oh my God! No way, they're the same size. This came in the advent calendar, in a $105 advent calendar, and they gave it the same size to me for free. For free. That is insane. All right. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. We'll go in with the bottom one. We have Miss Dior perfume. Guys, I had another Dior purchase like last week, and the free gift they gave me was a Miss Dior perfume. It's the same size. You guys, it's the same size. I think this one's Roses and Roses, and this is the original Miss Dior, but still, the same size, a free gift. They gave me a free gift. Okay. Moving on. What's over here? This is a mini lipstick with their classic shade that they give out with every single free gift is the 999 shade. I am sure I have this somewhere here. I'm gonna look in my drawer really quick. I am sure I have this exact shade and size somewhere here because I know I've gotten it as a free gift. I can't believe they're charging $100 for sample sizes. Oh my goodness. All right, opening this one. This one is a lot bigger than the other ones. This is the Dior Prestige Advanced Serum. It's a little bit bigger. I've actually never tried any of their skincare stuff. I did get their skincare, one of the gift sets, but I've never tried, you know, this. I guess it's not that much bigger. It's basically the same height. But oh my God. This has got to be some kind of joke. That's just crazy. Little free sizes. And guys, I love Dior. You know, I love Dior. I love their products. I love the free gifts that they always give out, but come on. Why are you robbing us like this? Straight up rob. All right, guys, that was insane. As much as beautiful as the packaging, it's gorgeous, obviously, it's stunning, but I just can't believe their sample sizes. I actually can't believe it. I feel like it would have been a little bit better if they included like a voucher to redeem one of these 4 items for the full size, like Sephora does when Sephora does like those sample perfumes where it's like that's not worth the money, but it comes with the free voucher to redeem it for one of those full sizes, which I think are awesome because you're able to try the range of perfumes and then you can get one of those full size for free. So I feel like that's worth it. And I feel like this would have been better if it did come with a voucher to redeem for one of these purchases. The thing that got me the most was the Miss Dior and the Dior perfume. Like, I literally have the free ones right here, and it's the same exact size as the one I paid for $105. Like, that's just insane to me. Now, don't get me wrong. Their website, I'm sure, says their sizes. But who reads all that? I see a cute advent calendar and I'm buying it, but that's just crazy. But that's what my channel's for. I buy these to review it, to tell you guys. This definitely, mainly the whole $105 is definitely for the presentation, the packaging, way more than the actual products. At least just make it a little bit bigger than the free gifts that they give us. That purchase did bring me up a level, so I did get a free gift. Let's go ahead and open it up together. Uh, okay, so the free gift is a Miss Dior and the perfume, which is the same size as what I just opened. And the same shade. They're classic 999. And the Miss Dior perfume, same size as the free ones. I would rather have spent $105 on like the full size of perfume and then get this. But to spend $105 and get these two. And then they also included with the free gift is their Capture Total Super Potent Serum. Yeah, this was a fun unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.